Hey guys, this is Richard from Sino Sonics. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ultrasonic generator. Let's use 20K as a sample. Okay. This is the auto tracing frequency generator. Before using it, please wire the welding set here with the wire and connect to the generator. Let's turn on the power. Okay, get the frequency. Okay, press the test button. It will start working. It's working. Now I'm gonna show you how to change the power percentage. Short press the edit button. It shows the percentage. P means percentage. Initially it's 20%. Okay. Spin the button. 22. Let's say 40. Okay. 40. Press the edit button. Okay. Now it's 40%. This bar shows nothing because it's no load working. If we load the working, it will show the percentage here, 40%. Okay. Now turn off the power. Now I'm gonna show you how to enter the edit menu. Press the edit button, hold it, and turn on the power. Okay. Enter the edit menu. Highest, short press the edit button. See the edge. Edge means the highest frequency. L means lowest frequency. It's setting the frequency range, start frequency and the end frequency. L, H, frequency range. Okay. P, it means current. It's not necessary to change anything in this menu. R, 001. There's two 001 or 000. 001 means after we change the welding set here, after we change the welding set for the new welding set, it will auto tracing the frequency for the new welding set. 000, that means after replacing the welding set, power off welding set, it will not auto tracing the new frequency for the new welding set. So normally we need to change it to 001. Okay. B, there's nothing to change. This one, nothing to change. Okay. Do not change anything. C, do not change anything. Okay. Just H, L, and R. Always keep it 001. Save it. Save the, let's say the start frequency here. Let's setting it 19. Okay, 19. Let's say H. Let's edit it to 20. Okay. Save it. How to save it? Press the edit button for 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. Turn off. Turn on the power.